I always get awkward when I have to start. It's only when I start it though, and then se me pasa. Anyway, we're going to the beach because why not? Hot girl summer, am I right? That's right. But we're going to Ventura, a beach in Ventura. That's the deal? Okay, so we're going to Ventura, to a beach in Ventura. So it's gonna take us a while to get there. I just wanted to intro us before we actually get there. But we're gonna get the music going, so I'm gonna have to see you guys when we actually get there. You guys are here at the beach. I don't know if you could see it in the back. Probably not. We'll get there in a sec. What are you doing?
Changing my pad.
And she's making me stay in here while she does it. So now I have to live through this experience with her. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get there. I just, you know, wanted to check back in with you guys. We're here, look! But the water, we're gonna get to us if we don't make it to the other side before. Oh my god! Unless you want to do it here. You can sit down on the rocks. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna set up shop here then, you guys. There's just a bunch of barnacles here.
What are barnacles?
I don't know what a barnacle is, just barnacle boy. No, yeah, look. Yeah, like, or no, this is the spot. Okay.
Day 2. Meanwhile.
Should I bend my hair? But not yet. Okay, good. Good, because it's gonna make me No. What about from the back? No. Your butt just swallowed it. Did you guys see that near-death experience? I almost got washed into the ocean. That was good. Wrap ourselves up because it is chilly over here. Yeah, and we'll have a little chat with you guys while we eat. Right here.
Alright. Get the shot right here.
Wait, where? This one or of your bush?
No, of my toes. Of my sandy toes.
Speaking of toes, how would you guys feel if we start selling feet pics? Do you guys think there's a good market for them? Like, these are mine. They're a little entumidos right now, so they can't move. But I think Lupita got the money makers over there. Look, show them a sneak peek. Yeah, there you go. You see how they look like little hands? Like, they're just perfectly uniform. If you like,
you're gonna put sunscreen on.
Also, comment down below if we should start an OnlyFans. Whoa, you really didn't wait for me at all. It wouldn't be a picnic if we didn't bring sandwiches paseados, so not ready yet. What are your thoughts on like bro code? What's bro code? You don't know? My concept of bro code is like, and let me know if I'm wrong. Like if you're a guy and you have a girlfriend and then you break her, your friend can't date her, right? That's what I think is bro code. Then you break her. I mean, date her. But I mean, I guess or break. But does it include crushes? Like, yeah, it includes crushes. So like, if a boy has a crush, then none of his friends can date that girl because he has a crush on him, on her. That's right. That's right. If you had a crush on, but what if the girl doesn't like and then I dated? Well, if he likes you and you like him, well, might have stand in your way. It would for a little bit, but I move on quicker than anything else. I don't get a bad concept from me. I don't move on really quick. If I have to, I have to, you know, but not just because se me pega la gana. But like, no, that ain't right. What do you guys think? Let me know. Rumor has it, there's a man roaming the beaches with 2 big cats. A dangerous man. So if you guys see him, walk by here or something, let us know. You know those tits just come by. I thought you said those tits. It says that little boy. Little tits.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What is that? It looks like a freaking skyscraper. Let me see that. You don't think I look like a freaking linebacker? So beautiful, she's tearing up. I like that one a lot. I feel like Kendall Jenner. Like it. Like something about my face, it just looks beautiful. We're gonna start heading back home. Maybe we'll have some content for you on the ride back. But for now, we're just gonna pack our chivas and head over to the car. We got here looking like baddies. And we're leaving. Always, this happens always. Last time we went to the beach, that we left because you were cold, también andabas wrapped in that same blanket.
Flashback.
Look, she's using our picnic blanket.
End of flashback.
Should we stop to buy a pad? Well, you need one, no? That's why you're wearing all those blankets.
Well, yeah, but at this point it might. Oh my God. This has got to be my worst day. I hope you didn't get sand in your lens and it's broken now.
I have sand in my mouth though. Okay, you guys, we're making it home. I told you I'd see you in the car. Maybe we'd have more content for you, but we really just jammed out all the way over here. I don't know if I will be filming more content because there isn't really anything, unless you want to make a TikTok with me where we blindfold each other and then we play like this like sound on TikTok that has different songs, like a remix of different songs together, to see how alike we dance to each song. Would you like to do that? Maybe si se anima, because no tiene mucho aguante esta doña, so like I don't know how worn out she is from the beach when we were only there for an hour. So we'll see.
We were there for 2.
Okay, so I don't know, we'll see. I make no promises, but for now I'm gonna outro the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you'd like a Shein bikini haul. I want to make one because, you know, summer, hot girl summer, you know, you guys are interested in knowing where the good deals are at, but I just don't want to have like 20 bikinis and only go to the beach like once a year. But if you guys want it, I'll do it. I'll look for pennies and dimes in the cracks. Oh my god, I have sand in my nose
And on your cheeks. And
yeah, I do. I'll look for pennies and dimes in the cracks of my couches, see what I can come up with, and I'll get back to you guys. But you guys have to comment because you guys are very unresponsive to my demands. So anyway, we're home. Don't come stalk me in my apartment if you can tell where I live from right here. Not that you care. I do believe a skinny squire lives somewhere around here, but you know, that ain't none of my business. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. See you, bye. Like, she drove all the way over here like this. Okay, bye.